Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create account on WeChat. First of all, you have to open WeChat app and tap on sign up button at the right bottom. When you click on sign up, here you have to select any option where you can create account. For example, I want to create account with my phone number. I will click on with phone number. When you click on phone number, here you have to add your personal information. For example, your phone number. Here you have to add your name. After that you have to select your country, and after that you have to select your here you have to add your phone number, and here you have to add your password. After adding this your personal information, here you have to click on accept and continue at the bottom. After that, here you have to again click on next button. When you click on next button, now here you have to wait few seconds. After that after that here you have to complete this verification. After that you have to click on this again, and here you have to fill this captcha and verify this captcha. In this way you can complete WeChat verification, and here you have to scan this QR code. Here you have to scan this QR code, and in this way you can get access to your account on WeChat. In this way you can create account on WeChat. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.